आता पयलोसो इश्यू जाल्लो इन 2024. 2024 TCP ऑफिसर technical clearance order दिल्ले for 3 farmhouses, and it was issued and it was signed by the K. Ashok Kumar, who is a deputy town planner. ती orders घेऊन हेल्थाची NOC घेतल्या ती हेल्थाची NOC घेऊन issued by the Kollim PHC. Then they applied for the construction license to the village panchayat of Old Goa. Now the village panchayat of Old Goa, they have said that they have not issued any construction license. Fair enough. But at the same time, they have not said that they have rejected the proposal which was put for them. आता TCP चे technical clearance order is valid for 3 years. Now what happens in a case when the village panchayat doesn't issue a license or keeps it in abeyance or keeps silence about it? The aggrieved party can go to the director of panchayat, can go to the high authorities, okay? And तेन्ना ते कितें in 24 hours तिंगा मातशें तेणी काम चालू केलं पळय तेन्ना ते JCB बा ते स्टॉप केल्ले तेंचे पूण TCP technical clearance order आहा पळय ती रिवोक करूंक ना. इट इज स्टील वॅलिड. हो आतां मुद्दो कित्याक येयलो? रिसेंटली वी केम टू नो that the compound wall आहा पळय ते which belongs to the chapel, and that is the entire thing is a heritage zone. ते कोणे मोडला म्हणून. It was brought to the notice of the church authorities or everyone. आनी ते पळोवंक गेले आनी मागीर थिंगासर तेणी कितें केलें हेची बॅम्बूजाची गेट केले. आमचे कडेन फोटो आहा, भितर फोटो आहा ना, आमचे कडेन तो फोटो आहा. So if that issue was resolved in 2024, last week कित्याक तें कोणें मोडून ती गेट घातली थिंगासर. तितून भितर आतां व्हडली टँक घातल्या. म्हाका दिसता that tank must be at least 6-7 feet. 10 feet tank. ती टँक फुंच्यान हाडली because that road, there is no road as per the regional plan. That road which is there, that road belongs to the church, and it comes under the to the chapel, sorry, and it comes under the heritage zone. So तेणी ट्रक दुरीक मोडून तो ट्रक भितर वचून ते टँक घातला. Because of that, we brought this issue up. This issue has nothing to do with 2024, but the technical clearance order is still valid. Tomorrow also they can go to the higher authority and get a construction license. And if the TCP doesn't give the construction license, the construction license is given by the local authority. Now in this case it will be the village panchayat or to the subsequent higher authorities if they go in appeal. Okay. Now why this is happening in Old Goa? Old Goa was declared in 1986 by UNESCO as a World Heritage Site, and it is not only the churches of Bon Jesus and Saint Cathedral. There are 7 more structures: Saint Cathedral's Church, then Church and Convent of Saint Francis de Assisi, then Chapel of Saint Catherine, the Church of Our Lady of Rosary, then Saint Augustine, ruins of Saint Augustine. And यांच्या surrounding there are lot of plots or there are proposed developments करूंक सोदतात, zone change करूंक सोदतात. आणि as per the UNESCO guidelines 3 conditions थिंगासर तेणी आमी fulfill करूंक जाय. The conditions are cultural identity of that place has to be maintained, then historic landscape what prevailed in 1986 that has to be maintained, and the visual setting. आता तिनांतले तर एक खंयचे तर parameters is violated, then the UNESCO can withdraw the World Heritage Site status which is given to Old Goa. आणि खूब जाणांक हे केल्लें जाय. कित्याक जाय तांकां? Because थिंगासर सगळ्यांचे रियल इस्टेटीचे गोंय आसा. Not only in Old Goa, but in the surrounding areas, the surrounding islands also. Okay, addition to Old Goa, like Divar, Sanseva, Mashik, all these places. So once this heritage status is removed, the entire area will come under the state government. And Metanga Zabata Kotolate. So we are opposing that also. And as far as now these 3 farmhouses are concerned, that undivided property which belonged to one Mr. Dume, the railways had acquired.
22 तारीख आणि आम्ही सेव्ह ओल्ड गोवा एक्शन कमिटी आयज आम्ही TCP ऑफिसान येयल्ले चीफ टाउन प्लॅनरा लागीं ताका आयज आमी लेटर दिला जे माउंट आवर लेडी ऑफ माउंट हिल थिंगा पळय हेरिटेज झोन आसा तितून फार्म हावजां जी पळय तेणी पास केल्या ती आमी ओपोज केला आणि 19 तारखेर जेन्ना थोडो लोक थिंगा पळोवपाक येयला आमचे गोंयकार ती फार्म हावजां खूंय येता हेरिटेज झोनान येता ती तेन्ना आमच्या गोंयच्या TCP मिनिस्टर आणि एक आमचेर आरोप घायला की थिंगा कसलीच परमिशनां दिवंक ना म्हणून आणि जे कोणे हे केला तेंचेर आपूण FIR घालतो म्हणून जाल्यार आयज तांकां आमी 3 फार्म हावजांच्यो कॉपीज एटॅच केल्या आनी भितून दिल्या. आतां आमी TCP मिनिस्टर लागीं मागता आतां आमी फॅक्ट प्रोड्यूस केल्या आमचे कडेन जे आसलेले ते तेन्ना आमचेर FIR घालचे सुवातेर जे TCP ऑफिसरांनी रस्तो नासतना फ्रॉडंटली ही फार्म हावजां पास केल्या हेरिटेज झोनान तेंचेर पयलो FIR करपाचो कित्याक आमी RTI अंडर सगळे डॉक्युमेंट आयज TCP ऑफिसान दिल्या. तशेंच TCP मिनिस्टराच्या सेक्रेटरियेट ऑफिसानूय बी दिल्या, कलेक्टराक दिल्या, गोवा आर्कोलॉजीक दिल्या आणि सगळ्या डिपार्टमेंटांक सांगलां की वचात आनी इन्स्पेक्शन करा आणि जे पळय टॅक्निकल क्लियरन्स वो दुसरी ऑर्डर आहा त्यो सगळ्यो कॅन्सील करा कित्याक आनी थिंगासर गेलो जाल्यार लोकांक आमी पळोवपाक आपयलें तेन्ना थिंगा तें फॉरेस्ट जावन आसा आनी ह्या 3 फार्म हावजां सारकी एक्झॅक्टली हॉटेला भाशेन तेंचो डिजायन आसा. सुमार एक फार्म हावजाक 12 रूम आहा, ताका फ्रूट स्टोर, मॅन्युअर स्टोर, फर्टिलायझर, मागीर एक वॉटर टँक अशें जायते आहा आनी सगळ्याक एटॅच टॉयलेटी आहा. जरी तर फार्म हावजाक टॉयलेट रुमाक टॉयलेटी कित्याक ही जावन आसा हॉटेलान फार्म हावजाच्या नांवान हेरिटेज झोनान पास केल्या आनी थिंगा कसलोय एकूय फ्रूट बियरींग ट्री ना, कसले फळां जावपाची एक पपाया झाड पर्यंत ना. जाल्यार हे फार्म हावज कित्याक फॉरेस्टांतल्या एनिमलांक रावपाक म्हणटच आमी मागता TCP मिनिस्टरान जे कोण ऑफिसर आहा तेंचेर बेगीन कारवाय करची. आमी 3 टेक्निकल ऑर्डरी आमी दिल्या आनी त्यो विथड्रॉ करता. पूण तेणी नो डॉक्युमेंट फावंड म्हणून दिला वॉट एक्शन ऑर एनी लेटर between issued between the panchayat and the farmhouse owner. No such document found. PI1 replied. This shows that the panchayat is silent. And jenna panchayat silent jata, then there is a dim clause. Within 30 days, the file has been assumed that the file is passed. पण ते कितें आसा पण टेक्निकल ऑर्डर इज अ फ्रॉडिनंट.
पण आमकडे पंचायतीक इन्वर्ट केल्ले आहा all three by inverted in 24.
तुमचे ऑब्जेक्शन 2024 आमी गेलेले हेजे तुमकडे तेजी आना कॉपी लागून 2024 गिल्यानान
प्लॅनान
घालेलें आतां ऑलरेडी घालेलें
हय
आनी त्या टायमार तेणी JCB भितर येयलेली
हय
त्या टायमार तुमकां खबर आसलेली काय
गेल्ले
मेधा सरपंच मेधा पाटील मेधा पर्वतकर त्यांनी सांगला आमकां कांय येवंक ना म्हणून
जाल्यार हें कितें
तेजेर मातशें क्लॅरिफाय
तिनूय दाखयता फायली
ओके
ओके
थँक्यू मिनिस्टर आतां TCP मिनिस्टर कहो म्हणटा तर खंयच्या बेजाचेर म्हणटा की इश्यू करूंक ना म्हणून
कितें
TCP मिनिस्टर तुमकां तुमी दाखयता पळय तेजेर तुमचेर कंप्लेन करता
तेणें तेणें कितें ते कोण सोशल मिडियार कितें घातलो हांव नको ओके आनी तो कितें म्हणटा तो पेडणेकर वी डोंट हॅव एनी ऑफिसर बाय द नेम ऑफ पेडणेकर वी नेवर सेड सेम ओल्ड गोवा एक्शन कमिटी आमी सांगला आनी कोण तुजें ओपिनियन जातलें तें आनी कोणाचें ओपिनियन वी हॅव नॉट सेड एनीथिंग ओके
आतां फुडलो कितें मूव कितें जाता
मूव आमकां हें रिवोक करूंक जाय वी वॉन्ट इट टू बी रिवोक
इफ नॉट टेक्निकल
if not then we will there are so many ways to counter it
विल फाइट
of course we will there are so many avenues
थँक्यू
thank you
Fernandez, a resident of Old Goa. Many people have spoken many things. All my colleagues have spoken a lot of things. My only suggestion is why Old Goa is being targeted for these farmhouses. We remember from our childhood, Old Goa is a place of sanctity. Why corrupt this place? There are many places, and why the outsiders are coming to Goa, especially Old Goa, to build these farmhouses? And why is the government giving permission to such farmhouses? These farmhouses are not in such places. There are many other places, many other villages, or many other things. We, as Old Goa residents, have to be united to stop all these things. So my humble request to the TCP minister is, please revoke this. And earlier we had given in 2024, we had given around 35,000 petitions that we don't want these farmhouses. And then it was silent. Now again it has cropped up. So we want the TCP minister, please look into it and revoke this, because it has, the permission is there till 2027. So we don't want this permission to be granted. Please revoke it. Thank you.
I just said one thing. The address of all the 3 farmhouses is the same, but there are 2 applicants. For the plot number 1, the applicant is Subhash Chandra Mala, LS Subhash Chandra. And for plot number 2, the applicant is Mrs. Chandra Lekha Bhamri for plot number 2 and 3. But the address is the same. दोघांचे address same आहे. And the same construction plan, all 3. तीनूय प्लॅन दाखयता तुमकां. It's all identical. All 3 plans are identical. All आणि पळय. No, just see, okay. Fruit stove with the toilet, then manual stove with the toilet. Check all this. And all 3 are, all 3 दाखयता तुमकां, all 3. All 3 are identical. 3 identical. आणि सकयल्यान रेल्वे वयता. And the सकयली property आहा ती आख्खी हेची acquired by the Konkan Railway. No, Vaibhav architect.
ओल्ड गोवाचो इन डिटेल आमच्या मेंबरान एक्सप्लेन केलो आहा ते भाशेन हांव फकत तितलें म्हणून सोदिता टॅक्निकली हे टावन एंड कंट्री प्लॅनिंग डिपार्टमेंटान हे पळय टॅक्निकल क्लियरन्स इश्यू केल्याय ते टोटली फ्रॉडलंट. पयले सुवातेर हे प्रॉपर्टी एक्सेस ना. 10 मीटर रोड प्लॅनाचेर 10 मीटर रोड एक्सेस म्हूण दाखयला. तो 10 मीटर रोड ना थिंगा. दुसरें म्हणल्यार ते भाशेन परमिशन घेयलें नाय पूण ते वॉल मोडा. दुसरें स्लोप आसा थिंगा परमिशन प्रॉपर टेक्निकली क्लियरन्स दिवपा जायना. ही सगळी टेक्निकली तेणें पळय डिटेलान सांगिल्लें तुमकां. हेका लागून हे परमिशन दिले ते टोटली DCPन आतां रिवोक करूंक जाय. हे डिमांड आमकां रिवोक करूंक जाय. आनी आमगे टावन एंड कंट्री प्लॅनिंग मिनिस्टरान पळय डिनाय केला की परमिशन दिलें ना म्हूण. तेणें हें सारकें पळोवन घेवचें आनी कोणें ताका तर खबर ना जाल्यार कोण ऑफिसर ते सायन करून दिले तेजेर FIR करपाचें. इतलो आमचो डिमांड. देव बरें करूं.
Okay. Now, since this property is adjacent to the railway, there should be a NOC from the railway. Check Korumla. Plus the archaeology from the Department of Archaeology, kinds NOC na. So, without taking into consideration all these factors, DCP technical clearance order ko hai dile. Another important thing is this property is on a hillside. It has a huge steep slope. The chapel is right at the top, and there is a huge slope. So can you construct a farmhouse on a slope? All these factors are not taken into consideration by the DCP when they had issued the technical clearance order. So as such, we the Save Old Goa Action Committee request and demand the DCP to revoke the technical clearance order which is issued to these 3 farmhouses with immediate effect. Thank you. Joseph Market. कोणाचं? DCPचं अशोक कुमार.
केन्ना एप्रुवल मेळ्ळा तें?
24. Yeah.
24.
24.
And so, but the dates are different.
आनी तुमकां केन्ना कळ्ळें?
कोणाक?
पयले ऑब्जेक्शन
पुन्हा पयले 24 ऑब्जेक्शन हाडलेलें पूण आतां परत काम चालू केलें न्हू.
एक्टिविटी स्टार्ट जाला.
पण आतां परत तेणी व्हडली 10 लिटराची टँक हें केला, दुरीक मोडला. हय. के अशोक कुमार. हेल्थाचे जाय, हेल्थाचो पळय डॉक्टर. मागीर ओके. आनीक this was invited to the panchayat in 2024.
पंचायत घेवन एप्रुवल?
No, see, panchayat, Peter K. Sala panchayat on this, Peter will tell you. They should revoke the
ना तुजें डेजिग्नेशन कितें आहा?
home. I'm a member of the Save Old Goa.
हांव विन्सेंट